The seat on my Poo spin bike is kind of torn up, and so I'm either going to fix it or ruin it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda down here in my basement with my Poo spin bike, and this seat has seen better days. And you would just expect that, but you know, it's cut right here, so I've got a cut in the vinyl. It's kind of poking through a spring, I guess, or something right there. So it's just wearing in certain parts. You can feel a little bit of like a opening where there must be another spring right there, and it's just kind of falling apart. And before it falls completely apart and you're sitting on metal springs directly, I thought I would just try to do a little bit of a cleanup. This is Numola self-adhesive leather repair patch. I use this on my skin all the time. My whole back is covered with these. But I thought, because this isn't something that is trying to win any beauty awards, and I just want it to be comfortable and usable as opposed to looking good, this still works. But I thought a cover like this might help extend the life of this. Now, I will say, I think this is like 8 by 10 or something, and I thought that was going to be big enough, but I actually should have probably gone bigger. I almost feel like I need it 10 inches wide by 12 inches long, but I might not have to kind of wrap everything. I think back here is kind of where it takes the brunt of it, and so I'm going to just kind of try to cover up most of this where the body will be sitting on it. And I think it's just as easy as taking off this backing here and laying it on top. I'm not even going to clean it up or anything. One, because I'm dirty. All right, so just leave it on the top there. Gonna work it from the inside out, and not even really concerned overly about wrinkles or anything, but there's even some overlap there that I can curl it around, because I think this is all just gonna squash down. But did I ruin it or repair it? Well, I wouldn't say I've repaired it to any level that I would Instagram it, but what I've got is this hole now fully covered there. I've got the one that was starting to come through there covered up. I've got most of this cut right here totally covered, and I actually kind of like this material better than whatever this was. This feels a little like plasticky, and this feels a little more vinyl-y. You know what I'm saying? So, right there. All right, that's good enough. Hey, if you're looking for a $5 fix to repair vinyl, broken leather, pleather, naugahyde, then this little Numola patch might be the right thing for you. And especially if your grip or something is on a flat surface, like a waiting chair or a couch cushion or something like that, I think it's going to even work better. But I've got some compound curves here that obviously it has to deal with. But if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.